Hello everyone, this is Alex with Banging Your Head Until the Right Answer Comes Out. Once again, we accomplished a lot of things in the past and we're going to do some more. Today we're going to do two small bites, two separate short videos. One to set the password policy and another to set account alias. Today I've got my Top Gear search on. It's a nice shirt. Shout out to all Top Gear fans, even if it's mostly Jeremy Clarkson and Richard Hammond, James May. Top Gear is Top Gear. Love watching shows about cars. And over here we see my Y-Ring 3D printed. It's not bad. It needs work. I'm still learning. And if you hear the noise in the background, that's my 3D printer going right now, trying to print a configuration cube. Alrighty. So here we go. So first things first, let's start from the beginning here. If you're in your AWS Management Console and you click on IAM, and all we have to do is look, sign in URL for IAM users in this account. We want this to be something easier to remember, so we're going to click on Customize. We're going to type Podsan, which is the name of one of my companies. That makes things a lot better. And then we hit create alias. And there we go. We've got that. So now if we highlight that, and we Control C, and then we're just going to go ahead and sign out. And paste that on in there, and click on it. And here we go. It's filled in. Well, I remember my information, we click sign on. And instead of that really long account number, we had Podsan. I'm going to use my Authy app, as I showed a long time ago. And click submit. And there it is. We're logged in, and we use our nice handy alias. Thank you.